Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Students, today we have a topic from our chapter fractions, and this is our lesson number 2, adding mixed numbers. These questions are taken from the textbook page 72, and these are our practice questions. We have a question number 1, add. Express each mixed number in its simplest form. We have these two mixed numbers. We have to find their answer. We have to solve these mixed numbers and find the answer in the simplest form. First of all, we convert these mixed number into an improper fractions. How? We multiply denominators by the whole number, then we add numerator. 9 1 times 9 plus 4, 13 by 9, plus 9 1 times 9, 10 11 by 9. Now we have two improper fractions and their denominators are same. The rule is to solve the fraction, to add the fraction, we must have their denominators same. Here we have automatically same denominators, so we add their numerators. 24 by 9. Now we get an improper fraction. We convert this improper fraction into mixed number. 24 divided by 9. We divide 24 by 9. 9 2 times 18, 6. So we get 2 whole 6 by 9. Now we get a mixed number. This is not the answer. We can more simplify it. How? By simplifying numerator and denominator, by dividing numerator and denominator by the same factor. Two whole 2 by 3. So this is the answer. Now we have part B. 2 whole 1 by 2 plus 5 whole 1 by 4. We have these two mixed numbers. First of all, we have to convert these mixed numbers in the improper fraction. 2 times 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 plus 4 5 times 20 plus 1, 21 by 4. Now the rule is for adding any fraction. If we want to add these two fractions, we must have their denominators same. In the first fraction, we have 2 at the place of the denominator, and in the second fraction, we have 4. We make this fraction 4, its denominator 4, by multiplying its denominator and the numerator by 2. So we use new fraction 10 by 4 plus 21 by 4. Now we have same denominators. Now we add easily their numerators. We get 31 by 4. Now when we add these mixed numbers, when we add these fractions, we get an improper fraction. We can solve this improper fraction. We can more simplify this by dividing 31 by 4. 4 8 times 32, it's greater, so 4 7 times 28. 3. 7 whole 3 by 4. This is the answer. Now we have part C. 2 whole 3 by 4 plus 3 whole 1 by 6. First of all, we make these improper fractions. We convert these improper fractions into an we convert these mixed numbers into an improper fraction. So for 2 times 8, 9, 10, 11 by 4 plus 6 3 times 18 plus 1, 19 by 6. Now we have two improper fractions in which there is no same denominator. First of all, we have to make the denominator same. We taking LCM or any other method for finding which denominator we suits. So we take multiples of 4. We take multiples of 6. Now we take which least number we have same in both the multiples. 6, no, 12, yes. We have LCM 12. Now we make these both denominators 12. 4 multiplied by 3 to get 12 and 6 multiplied by 2 to get 12. Same, their numerators multiply by the same number which multiply by the denominator. 33 by 12 plus 38 by 12. Now we have same denominators. We easily add their numerators. 33 plus 38. 71 by 12. Now we get an improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. We easily convert this fraction into a mixed number. 7 by dividing 71 by 12. 12 6 times 72. So 12 5 times 60. 11. We get 5 whole 11 by 12. This is the answer. Now we have part D. 3 whole 1 by 2 plus 2 whole 4 by 5. We have these two mixed numbers. We have to convert these two mixed numbers into an improper fractions. It becomes 7 by 2 plus 14 by 5. Now we have two different denominators. We have to make these two denominators same. We can make these denominators same by taking LCM or by taking multiples. Now we take the same number, that is 10. So least common multiple we have 10. Now we make these both denominators 10. 2 multiplied by 5 and 7 also multiplied by 5. 5 multiplied by 2, its numerator also multiplied by 2. 7 5s are 35 by 10 plus 28 by 10. Now we have both denominators same. We easily add their numerators. 73 by 10. We get an improper fraction. We can more simplify this fraction by dividing 73 by 10. So we get 7 whole 3 by 10. Now we have question number 2. City, a girl ran 3 whole 1 by 2 kilometer and walked 3 kilometer. What was the total distance? Total mean we have to add. What was the total distance she covered? So we have to write a fraction like this: 7 whole 1 by 2 plus 3. Now we have 1 a mixed number, second a whole number. First of all, we have to we have to write down a whole number like this. We have to write down a whole number like 3 by 1. It is same. Now we change this mixed number into an improper fraction to 7 times 14 plus 1, 15 by 2 plus 3 by 1. Now we have two different denominators. First we have 2 and second we have 1. We make this one easily 2 by multiplying it by 2. So we multiply its numerator also by 2. We get 15 by 2 plus 6 by 2. Now we have 21 by 2. We get an improper fraction in which our numerator is greater than denominator. We convert this improper fraction into a mixed number by dividing 21 by 2. To 10 times 20, we get 10 whole 1 by 2. So this is the answer. Hope you all understand our today's topic, adding mixed number. Thank you so much.